How to automatically restart a Linux background process if it fails? I have a process which is executed by init.d script on the background. E.g. in certain conditions, my process can fail and return. Is there any standard way how to detect its fail and restart it automatically?
The easiest way would be to add it to /etc/initub, which is designed to do this sort of thing. Respawn. If the process does not exist, start the process. Do not wait for its termination, continue scanning the /etc/initub file. Restart the process when it dies. If the process exists, do nothing and continue scanning the /etc/initub file. For example, you could do this.
Buildroot has 3 possible init systems, so there are 3 ways to do this. BusyBox init. With this, one adds an entry to /etc/initub. Note that BusyBox init has an idiosyncratic /etc/initub format. The second field is meaningless, and the first field is not init but a device base name. Linux system v init. Again, one adds an entry to /etc/initub. Systemd. One writes a unit file in, say, /etc/systemd/system/myprocess.service. Enable this to auto-start at boot up with. Start it manually with. Further reading. 3.1.3 init system. The Buildroot user manual.
What about creating a subshell with a loop that calls constantly the same process? If it ends, the next iteration of the loop goes on and starts it again. If the subshell dies, it's over though. The only possibility in that case would be to create another process. I'll call it Necromancer, that checks whether your process is alive. Start it if it isn't and run this Necromancer with cron, so that you can check that regularly. Next step would be wondering what could happen if cron dies, but at some point you should feel safe and stop worrying.
You could make use of Munit. It's really easy to use and quite flexible. See for example this configuration for restarting the Tomcat process on failure. It also has a lot of configuration examples for many use cases.